In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for social media management. First, let's get started by creating a new board specifically for your social media needs. Click on the plus add button, then select new board. Give your new board a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Something like social media calendar or content planning would work perfectly. Once you have your board set up, organize it by adding groups to track your content's progress. Consider categories like ideas, brainstorming, in progress, scheduled, and published. These groups will help you stay organized and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Now let's move on to customizing your board with essential columns that will facilitate your social media workflow. Adding a content title column will allow you to label each post by name, such as Instagram Reel, behind the scenes. The platform column can be a drop-down where you select Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Facebook, depending on where each piece of content is going. Make sure to include a status column to mark each post as a draft, scheduled, or published. A date column can be used to note the due dates for your posts. Assign responsibility for each item by adding an owner column, which could be the designer, copywriter, or social media manager. Enhance your board's capabilities by including a files column for visuals, videos, or graphics, and a link column for tracking published URLs. Once your board is set up, take advantage of the various viewing options available within Monday.com. The calendar view gives you an editorial calendar-style overview of your posts scheduled by date, ensuring you never miss a deadline. For a broader perspective, utilize the timeline or Gantt view to keep track of longer campaigns over weeks or months. The Kanban view is also incredibly handy for visualizing posts as they move through different stages. Managing your content creation workflow becomes a breeze when you utilize sub-items. Break down each post into actionable steps like copywriting, graphic design, video editing, review and approval, and final upload. Assign specific team members and due dates to each subtask, streamlining your collaboration efforts. Lastly, let's not forget about automation. Monday.com allows you to set up automation recipes that will save you time and keep your team informed. For instance, you could set it up so that when a post status changes to scheduled, your team receives a notification. Or when a due date arrives, a reminder is sent directly to the item owner. You can even have items automatically moved to the published group once their status changes to published. Additionally, you can set recurring automations, such as automatically creating a new task every Monday for your weekly social report. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing social media tasks efficiently and effectively.